Thank you. My name is Harrison Wells. Tonight, the future begins. The work my team and I will do here will change our understanding of physics. We'll bring about advancements in power, advancements in medicine, and trust me, that future will be here faster than you think.
What happened?
9 months ago, the particle accelerator went online exactly as planned. For 45 minutes, I had achieved my life's dream, and then there was an anomaly. The electron volts became unmeasurable. The ring under us popped. Energy from that detonation was thrown into the sky, and that, in turn, seeded a storm cloud.
But there's no time. Can I run on water? I built up enough speed to run up a building. How fast do I need to go to run on water?
Assuming your weight, 450 pounds of force per step for vertical suspension, accounting for fluid drag.
Approximately 650 miles an hour.
You have to outrun the blast, or you'll die too.
At a high enough velocity, can be compromised.
We ran an analysis on the metal in Tony's footprint. Based on its density and atomic structure, if you impact it at just the right angle, at just the right speed, you could do some serious damage.
How fast would I have to go?
Factoring in the metal's tensile strength, estimated dermal thickness, atmospheric pressure, air temp, you'd have to hit him at approximately Mach 1.1.
You want Barry to hit something at 800 miles an hour?
837, actually.
That's faster than the speed of sound.
I know. He would create a sonic boom, which, as I've said before, would be awesome.
I've never gone that fast.
Yet.
I can't believe we're actually entertaining this idea. I mean, he'd need a straight shot from miles away.
Yeah, 5.3 miles, theoretically.
Do it right, you'll take him down.
Do it wrong, you'll shatter every bone in your body. Why did he stop?
He's miles away. 5.3 miles away.
Barry, wait!
No way, he's gonna do it. Go, man, go!